ready, I think. We'll see if anyone else joins us today. We're going to kind of extend a little bit, talk a little bit more about using, whoops, who's here? Nobody's here? Yep, okay. Using place value to help us add and subtract. Yes, so our whole Kahoot quiz is going to be about how we can use tens and ones, yeah, to help us add and subtract numbers. So I'm going to get started, but we're going to take turns on this. The first thing I would like you to do is to have a little contest. Okay, let's see. So I don't know if you guys are ready for this contest, but you are going to make circles, not dots, because it's really hard to see a dot. So on your page, I want you to make tiny little baby ones. And I'm going to give you to the count of 20 to make as many circles on your paper, not on here, as you can. Just random, they almost look like stars in the sky, don't they? So I'm going to give you 20 in seconds, and I want you to start making little circles, little baby ones. These are little units. And when I say done, hands up, okay? Mark, get set, go. All we need to do is draw as many circles or tiny little baby ones on the page as you can. And stop, hands in the air. Woo! All right, guys, the contest is, now that you've drawn as many circles as you can, you now have 1 minute only for you to, are you ready? Group as many tens as you can. 1, 2, 3. Don't start yet. Don't start. Hands in the air. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands in the air. Okay, so here's our first 10. I'm going to do another 10. Okay, on your mark. Get set. Go. How many tens can you make? Make sure there's 10 in your circle. When you are all finished, I want you to make a T-chart and fill in the value of how many tens you made and how many crying baby ones are left over. Our answers will all be different. Okay, you're almost out of time. Try to make you guys nice and big so I can see everybody's work. How'd you do, Jules? Ooh, look at you. Make sure, guys, this is a pro tip, pro math tip. Count the baby one. Unit, oops, who's unmuted? Bashvik, make sure you stay muted so I don't hear what's going on in the house. Who else? Hold on, Jules. Yep. Okay. So make sure that when you are done and you've counted your tens and your baby ones, that there aren't enough baby ones to make another group of tens. So if you have too many baby ones left over, go ahead and make another 10, right? So who's ready to hold it up? Let's show off our work to our friends. Go ahead. And the contest is done. So stop what you're doing and hold up your paper. Ooh, look at those groups of tens. I see T-charts that show the value of the number that you made. Let's look. Very good, Jaden. Very good, Jules. Johnny, hold a little. Oh, very good. Oh, that was amazing, Johnny. See, Darth. Oh, that is fantastic. I see it. Very good. Anybody else have one to show off? Whoa, you made 11 tens? Think about, or did you make 2 tens, Jules? Okay, let's see. Anybody else? Prisha, hold it as close as you can to the camera. It's disappearing. It's your background. Wait, those baby ones, Julian said 11. That means that you have enough to make another 10. So you can take one of those After you make a 10, you can move it over. That's regrouping. That's right. Okay, anybody left? Last chance. Show off your work. I'm sorry. Oh, Prisha, good work. I can see it now. Good job. 3 10s and 1 baby left over. If you have more than 9 1s left over, you can make another 10. That's right. We shouldn't have any teenagers hanging out in the baby one's place. Their legs stick out of the crib. Ugh, I don't want to hang out with a stinky baby anyway. All right, let's do it. Let's move on to what we're going to talk about today. So let me clear my board. And our Kahoot is going to be talking about how to add and subtract using place value. So thank you, Adeline. Nice job. Okay, guys. So let's pretend that Adeline had 32 hairy puppies. And Prisha had 12 hairy puppies, furry hairy puppies. We want to determine how many we have in all. We're adding. So if I were to draw T-charts down through each number, I could, what could I do? I could represent the place value in each place. Now I want you to notice how easy this is. All you have to do is count up your 10s and the baby ones in each number. That's a tall 10. See, he's tall and skinny. And here's my cute little baby ones that are crying so loud. And now I can just, look how super fast this is. Once I have organized, lined up, and represented how many 10s and 1s, I can just count. So let's see who's super fast at this. Joshua, how many tall 10s do you see if I were to add these tall 10s and this one?
3.
Keep going. I see 3 plus 1 more. 4. We're going to draw 4 tall, right? 4 tall 10s. How about our baby ones? Siddharth, how many baby ones in all? I see 2 crying babies here and 2 here. How many does that make?
2.
2. We don't want to add the other 2. Remember, we're adding. So let's add.
4.
Yes, very good. 2 plus 2 is 4. So my total final answer for adding the value of 3 10s and 2 1s and 1 10 and 2 1s is 4 10s and 4 1s. Okay, now let's try this. Who's ready? Julian, are you ready? Jaden, Johnny? Okay, I'm going to reach into your heads. Let's see who's got a number in their head. Johnny, you have a number in your head. You have 35. Everybody write 35 on their paper, quick. Okay. Now let's pull another number out of somebody's head. Here I go. Ooh, I read your mind. Prisha, you have 11. You had 11 in your head. We're going to add those 2 together. Everybody write down plus. It's to add, right? 11. Now, are you guys ready? What I used to call slicing the sandwich is really organizing our numbers. We're going to draw T-charts right through the middle of our number. Check out what I did with 35. Now I can really understand how many 10s and 1s. Do the same thing with 11. Slice that sandwich right down the middle. And finally, step 2, how fast are you at drawing 3 tall 10s and 5 crying baby 1s in our first number, 35? And how fast are you at drawing tall 10s and baby 1s in our second number, 11? Now remember, we said we were adding. That means putting them in all. So our equation should say equal. And now we get to count up our 10s and 1s. So let's do it. I'm going to make my oops, that was a horrible looking T-chart, but I'm going to try it anyway. I'm going to make my sum T-chart. I'm just going to get it ready. I want it ready. Yeah, let's set the table. Now we can add in how many baby ones in all and how many tens we counted in all. Write them in. Who's got answers? Oh, Julian, I'm screaming. It looks so good. Fabulous. Okay, who else? Jaden, hold it up closer, closer, closer. Oh, yes. Yes, I love that. I am screaming over here. Wow, Adeline, I love it so much. Let me see Siddharth's. Hold it closer, Siddharth. I think it's down at the bottom. I can't. Oh, Johnny, that looks good. I can't see it. Vashvik. Whoa, I see it. I think I see it. Yeah, I do. Only do me a big fat favor. And can you turn your 5 around for me? See the 5 on your paper? Flip them around. Oh, Joshua, where's yours? See, Darth, hold it closer now. I can't see it. I can't see it. Oh, wait, there, hold it right like that. It's hard to see that one. Adeline, did you do yours already? Yes. Okay, good work. And so everybody said, well, there are 4 because 1, 2, 3 plus 1 more is 4 tall tents. And what is the value of all these ones? 5 plus 1 more is 6. If you had the final answer of 46, you got it right. Now, here comes the real trick. Before we do our Kahoot, can you do all of this without drawing the models? Let's see who's the fastest. And it's okay if you need practice. So let me pull some more numbers out of your head. Ooh, Joshua. Hey, he's got a good number. It is 18. Yes. So our first add-end for adding is 18. You can write it. Just don't draw anything yet. Okay, let's try the next one. Julian, you have a number. It is 11. Oh, you have the same number as Johnny did. How'd you do that? Okay, guys, write your equation down. 18 plus 11. Do not draw any models. We're going to do this in our heads. You may draw a T-chart to set your table. Get ready for your answer, your sum. I like to do that. And now, can you add your 10s together and your 1s together and plug them into your sum? How fast are you? Oh, Siddharth already knows it. Go ahead, Siddharth.
29.
Ooh, let's see if anyone else gets that answer.
29.
Did you?
I knew it was 29.
You did too?
Yep, I always. Nope, 1 plus 8 equals 9. And 10 plus 10 equals 20.
That's right. So if I were to, even if I didn't draw anything, I would know where my 10s are. And where my 1s are. 8 plus 1 is 9. Woo! Get up and celebrate. Yay! All right. So now, I have to make this a little more challenging, don't I? Okay, we're going to try one more thing, and then we'll do our Kahoot, I promise. But here it is. I'm not going to pull any numbers out of your head. I just want to show you something. So if I were to have, I don't know, 15 pickles, and I get 12 more, okay? You can move this number, this add-end, watch carefully, it's going to be magic, and you can move it underneath to line up your 10s and 1s. Remember how we had a T-chart? Keep watching, don't look away, you're going to miss it. Okay, remember our T-chart? We can move the 10 from our second number, our second add-in, right underneath and line it up. Oh, does this start to look familiar to you guys? Don't look away, don't look away. You're looking away. What about the, Yeah, I see that. What about this 2, this baby 1? Put it right in the baby 1's place underneath. We are called vertical addition, lining it up. And now let's add up our baby 1s straight down like a raindrop. What's 5 plus 2? Everybody who's fast, 5 plus 2 is
7. 7.
How many 10s do we have in this column?
7. 2. 7.
Woohoo!
But 2 10s.
2 10s and 7.
27. 27. 27.
Mutant 5, 4,
27.
2, 1, mute. Jules, if you want to stay, you're muted. Thank you, because I need to tell you something very important. What you just learned is the end of first grade addition, okay? And if you had too many baby 1s and you added, I don't know, 17 of them, you can move a teenager over and this would grow and you would add another teenager to your sum. So that's called regrouping, and you are going to be the masters at lining up your add-ins and using this method of place value to help you add. Now let's do our I'm gonna stop share. Let's do our Kahoot and be done. Okay, this is gonna go so fast. I think your head is gonna be a little spinny today. So let me pull up our Kahoot. Play, play, play. Play, play, play. Loading our game pin number. It is time to join our Kahoot. 601753. It only has a few questions. And as soon as we get to the end, you're going to log out. Okay. Practicing how to add. Add. Today was all about adding. Addition today, huh? Adding using place value. Adeline's in. Yes. Johnny. Jaden. Siddharth. Joshua. Okay, 10 more seconds. And we'll start. Prisha. Ooh, and we have somebody else. I don't know who 601753 is, but you're here and I'm happy. Let's get started. We're going to add 10s and 1s on our first question. Remember how we did it. Our first question is 2 10s, 5 1s, plus 1 more 10. What do you get? What's 25 plus 10? I used to have 2 10s. Now I have, ooh. 2 10s plus 1 more. And the answer is, as soon as we have all our answers, it will tell us. The game pin, if you're still joining, is 601753. Oh, look at that. If you said 35, you got it right. 25, I had 2 10s and 5 baby 1s. And if you just added 1 more 10 instead of 2 10s, it would have 3 10s. That's why that would be a good answer to choose. 3 10s and 5 baby 1s left over. We only added 1 more 10. Let's do another one. Whoa, look at those scores. Now, number 2. Add 22 plus 1. Oh, come on. How easy is that? Well, notice that you have 2 10s and 2 baby 1s, and we're just adding 1 more baby 1. Wah. 1 more baby. Ooh, what number there had has 3 babies. Oh, look at the answers. 6 of you got it right. I agree. Make sure that when it says to add 1 more baby, he didn't stick them in the teenager party. He doesn't want to be over there. So good work, guys. 22 plus 1 more is 23. 21, 22, 23. Okay, let's do it. Oh, look at that. Prisha, I see you. And let's go on to the next one. 47 plus 1 more 10. See, I used to have 4 10s, and I'm going to add 1 more. If you're just joining us, we only have a few questions left, and the game number for Kahoot is 601753. 601753. Wow! Man, I want to know who these 6 folks are. I keep getting all these answers right. That's right. So if you had 4 10s and you added 1 more 10, that's 5 10s. 4 plus 1 is 5. So looking only at the tens places, if you are not getting these answers right, and it's okay if you don't, here's something to practice. T-charts. What did I say? T-charts. They help, I promise. Okay, here we go. Whoa, somebody's on fire. Got to put them out. Okay, let's see. I have to go get my my fire extinguisher. Here we go. We had 33. That means 3 10s and 3 1s. And we're just adding 1 more 10. Look at that. Nothing to add in the ones place. 10 doesn't have any babies. Look at that. Oh, look at
Miss
that.
Cruz, I was gonna keep 43, but then I by mistake kept them red.
I totally get it. Good work though. That's fine. You make mistakes. That's totally fine. You know that. I make mistakes. It's all good. All right, guys. So you're absolutely right. If you said 43, or if you meant to say 43, you got it right, because we were just adding 1 more 10. 3 10s plus 1 more is 4 10s. And the baby ones didn't change. Whoa, Jaden, where's my fire extinguisher? Look at you. Look at that score. Okay, or almost done. 54 plus 1 more baby. So what's going to change? The tens place or the ones place? Need some coffee for this one. Wow. Oh, I'm going to do the party dance. Yes, the wacky waving inflatable party dance. Look how many answers. That's right. If you had 54 and we're adding just 1 more baby, it turns into 5 baby ones. So 55. The 10s didn't change. It still had 10. I mean, 5 10s. I'll say it right. Uh-oh. Time for my fire extinguisher. Sea darts on fire. Here we go. Next one. Let's do 3 more questions and we'll be finished. How fast are you? 17 plus 1 more 1. It used to have 7 ones. It has 1 more. Yay! If you said 18, you know 17 plus 1 more is 18. You can do that on a number line. 1 more baby. It used to have 7, now it has 8. Great. Wow, look at that. Somebody's rocking this too. Awesome. 2 more questions. Can you do this one? 6 10s, 9 1s, and we're just going to add 1 more 10. So what should change? The 6 or the 9? Oh. T-charts are your friends, guys. Whoa, 7 people got it right. That's right. It was 6 10s and we add 1 more. Put up 6 fingers. Here's your tall 10s. Add 1 more. So the answer is 7 10s, but we still had 9 1s because the ones didn't change. Woo! My goodness, it's getting hot in here. Last question. Last question. 76-year-old, and they have 1 more birthday. 1 more. Just 1 baby. Not a 10. It says +1. One little baby one. So the only thing that should change is the ones place. And wow! Oh my gosh, everybody get up and spin around. That's the greatest thing I've ever seen. Everybody got it right. I am proud of you. All right, my love bugs, we are done. I'm going to let you go. It's past. We have to leave. I love you. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. 1 minute. 1 minute.